So I tried using only the Apple Watch SE3 for a full day, no phone at all, and by the evening, I was already done. At first, everything works. You can check notifications, do quick interactions. Nothing really feels broken. Then small things start breaking. Replying to messages takes way longer. Simple things just become inefficient. It's not that I can't do these things, it's just it's not designed for it. You're doing everything on a tiny screen and that friction builds up fast. You realize you can't rely on it the same way you rely on a phone. Anything more than quick tasks becomes incredibly frustrating. But the biggest thing that breaks is the battery, because now this is your only device and it still only lasts about a day. Every evening you have to charge it. And that's where it really annoyed me, because now I don't have my phone and I don't have my watch either. The only device I'm relying on is now unavailable because I have to charge it. And that's when it became obvious. Nothing is actually broken individually, but as a replacement, it just doesn't hold up. So using the Apple Watch SE3 as your only device, it only works for small things, but as your main device, no. And that's what actually matters.